Hi there, my name is Ilianna and I'm a model, dancer, and makeup artist. I'm extremely excited to introduce to you Supergoop's beauty base layer, Glowscreen SPF 40. Friends, when I say that this is the best makeup primer, I'm not even exaggerating. Glowscreen is packed with broad spectrum SPF 40 plus ingredients to help protect your skin from blue light, while also giving your skin a beautiful dewy look. The glow is real with this one. The texture is super lightweight, and it has a pearlescent color, which gives an illuminating factor without looking too over highlighted or greasy. Instead, it gives you a pretty dewy, lit from within canvas for your CC cream or foundation. I take about this much and apply it over my moisturizer, making sure I get an even application. The formula is so smooth and silky, and it doesn't smell like sunscreen. And since it's a primer, Glowscreen obviously works great under foundation. It's gorgeous, right? Glowscreen has sea lavender, which helps protect from free radical damage. And it has cocoa peptides, which helps protect from blue light, which is emitted from your phone and computer. So now you know why I can't get enough of Supergoop's Glowscreen SPF 40 Sunscreen Primer. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and reef-safe. It's everything I want from a primer and more. Sun protection, blue light protection, and happy, healthy, radiant skin. Thanks for watching.